Hey everyone, some of you already know me because of my other YouTube channel on which I post my singing videos, and the link for that will be down in the description box. But this video is going to be about applying abroad as an international student. A lot of people have been asking me as to how I went through with the process of the applications or making the choices in terms of the university or the country, or what I looked at while making those choices. So hopefully this will help you too. When I started looking out for universities as an option to apply to, I was extremely confused and my mind was all over the place. I really had no one direction that I was going to. I was looking at different countries in Europe or Australia, US, Canada. The only thing I was sure of was my top choices in majors that I wanted to pursue. I was still confused between economics or communication studies. So I tried to choose a university which gave me both options, as if I felt like I wanted to change my major to the other, there was an option that could help me do that. So that was one of the most important things that I looked at. And the second most important thing that I looked at was diversity. I wanted a university where they gave me a variety of majors available, because that would mean a lot of different kind of people would come in with different thoughts, different ideas, and you could meet more people. Another, probably my top most important point that I was looking at in university was cost effectiveness. Honestly, as an international student from India, studying abroad can be quite a burden financially, because you cannot afford where you have to pay quite a heavy amount, because of course you have to pursue a master's as well, so you have to think about that too. So I wanted a university where there were a lot of scholarships available. So I was just looking at universities where my cost would come down drastically after the scholarship. Another very important thing was rankings. I was not really looking at best of the best, but I was looking at a university where the student to faculty ratio wasn't too high, because that would mean lesser individual attention. As an international student, it is very difficult adapting to that kind of education system after being taught in a different system in your country. And activities are like a must for me, because I love singing and dancing, theater. I have always enjoyed these things are like stress busters to me. So I was definitely looking at universities which had a lot of clubs and a lot of performances that you could do and you could take part in. So you can just imagine now the things that I've told you, these kind of things are very confusing, especially sitting in India and not being able to travel to other countries to actually look at those universities personally, and not being in contact with anyone who has had experience with those universities. You can just imagine how difficult it was. That is when I came across my education consultants, that is FACT Study Abroad, and the link for their Facebook page as well as their website will be down in my description box, and you can go and check it out. I honestly had the best experience with them, and the kind of help that they did, I am pretty sure I would not have been able to do on my own. Since my mind was all over the place, they helped me channelize that energy into one thing, and I was totally confused about what countries to apply, what scholarships to apply. So they helped me narrow down my options, and they finally told me that I should apply to universities in the US, because they actually have a lot of students who have been studying in US in undergrad as well as master's level. And the universities that they suggested me to apply to were also universities where they had a lot of ex-students from their academy itself who had gone and who could help me out while that adjusting period that I will be on campus for. So I honestly had the best time that I could with them, and they really helped me just get my energy and focus it into one place, and they helped me with other things as well, which I will be covering in the next video of mine. And in the next video I will cover about what are the things that I needed and what are the things that I did as a part of my application process to the US universities and how my education consultants helped me do that. So hope this helped you. Have a nice day.